Hey YouTubers, today I want to show you how to properly clean your Breville espresso machine. This is a Barista, and you don't have to spend a fortune on cleaning products. However, don't go cheap either by using vinegar or other sorts of acids. What you should get is either their brand name cleaning supplies, or if you want to save money and pay only a fraction of the cost, I recommend getting the Urnex Dezcal that you can find online. So this is to clean the whole machine. It's a powder that you have to mix in the water. And this one here, same brand, the Urnex Cafiza, which has tablets. And this is to clean the spout. So it's little tablets here. So first thing, well, I want to also tell you that when you turn it on and you see the light blinking where it says clean Descale, so when it's blinking, it's this product here that you have to be using to clean the spout here. Put a tablet in there with the rubber. I'll show you in a second. And if this was to be lit solid, then you have to clean the whole machine by passing a solution of made up with this powder here to clean everything in the machine. Okay, the heating elements, the foaming, the steamer here, everything will be clean with that. But blinking is the tablets, and a solid is the whole machine. What I recommend you to do is once a month, just do everything. Don't wait for the lights to blink. Just do it once a month, and you'll have a freedom of mind. And there's another thing also inside. There is the filter, which I don't really use, because what I do, instead I use a filtered water, which is basically the same thing. You have an activated charcoal in there, you put your tap water and it cleans the water. So this, if you don't want to purchase it, you don't have to. Just go with the filtered water. So first thing you want to do is empty your machine, the water, because there's going to be a lot coming in. So me, I keep my supplies right here in the basket. So this is what you will be needing to clean up the top, the nozzle there, so the spout, sorry. So what you have to do is take this, put it in there, and then put 1 or 2 tablets. So just a tablet there. Close it up. And once your machine is heated, according to instructions, what you should be doing is pressing the single plus the double and the power for 3 seconds. So I turn it off, single, double, power, 3 seconds. And do not forget to put your water container beforehand, preferably. And now this is gonna go on for 5 minutes, I think, for a few cycles. So I'm gonna let this run, and then I'll get back to you. So what you will be seeing is the pressure is gonna go all the way to the maximum, and then it's gonna stay there for a few seconds, and then it's gonna release. There you go. And this is gonna take a few cycles before this part here, the spout, is cleaned. So now it did 2 cycles. we're going into the third cycle. So this is all automatic. Once you do the single, double, plus the power for 3 seconds, the machine is going to just keep on doing it. So now we're going into the final cycle, and you will see it finish up the job. So this one will be blinking all throughout the cleaning procedure. There you go. When you hear that beep beep, at the end of the 5th cycle, that means the machine has been cleaned, and now as you can see, the blinking light is gone. So now you can carefully remove your, there you go, see it's mostly dissolved, the tablet. So now I'm gonna wash this up and continue with the next part, which is to clean the whole machine. So rinse it well, your rubber part here, and then store it for next time so you don't lose it. So now the second part is, if your light was solid, you want to clean the whole machine. To do that, again, you have to empty first your container. I'm going to store my rubber piece there. Now, turn off your machine first, get your container out, your water tank. And then here, what I did is, a good trick is to either have a measuring cup. So this one is a ½ liter. So twice this, I pour water in there, and then wherever it completes to 1 liter, I just use a permanent marker, put a line here, and I say 1 liter there, so that for future times it's much more easy to do this. So now what I'm gonna do is just add some water until I reach the 1 liter line. You don't have to be exactly precise. And now get your powder. So this is the Descale from Urnex, and basically, if you want to know what's in it, it's citric acid, sulfamic acid, and so you need 30 grams of this in 1 liter of water, and I find that 1 liter is enough, but if you want to do more thorough, you can put 2 liters. So 30 grams is roughly 6 spoons full above the line of the spoon this way, so teaspoons, so 6 full teaspoons. So you want to put your powder in your water tank, and then give it a gentle mix, and then wait for about 15 minutes. Okay, let it dissolve, and then you mix it some more. Okay, so now it's been 10 minutes, and actually 15 minutes, but between 10 and 15 minutes it dissolves pretty well. So as you can see, there's no more salt in there, so it's been all dissolved. So now it's time to clean the machine. So, and make sure that you don't keep the filter in. You have to remove this before you make this solution. So now put it onto the machine, your water tank. And now, so we're cleaning with this. Now we have to press the 2 cup and power. So now you have 2 solid lights. So press the 2 cup and the power button. And then after 3 seconds, the machine is gonna go on and these 2 lights are gonna be solid. So now it's warming up the machine, and then once it's warm, it's gonna pass liquid through. Also, you can put your coffee container here, because then that will be cleaned as well. So you'll have everything nice and decalcified. So unlike the first procedure with the tablet where the machine does it automatically, this one is more manual. You have to do it yourself. So once you press the 2 cup and the power button and the lights goes on, wait about 2 minutes, let the machine warm up, and then you're gonna press the 1 cup, so the solution is gonna start coming out, and then after that you're gonna do a cycle of 13 seconds of steam and 8 seconds of boiling water coming out from the spout on next to it. So we're gonna start with the 1 cup. So that you don't have to stop it yourself, it will stop by itself. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do about 13 seconds of the steam. And now we're gonna do the boiling water. So now you turn the knob towards the back. So about 8 seconds, and then you will repeat your cycle, but in between the first and the second I would wait about 5 minutes so that the inside is nice and clean. So we'll wait 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna do one more run. And that's it. Now the next step is important as well. What you want to do is remove the tank. If there's too much left, you can run another half a cycle. Otherwise you can just dump it and then put nice fresh water, and we have to do a rinse cycle. As you can see, there's going to be some particles coming out. So now we're going to do the rinse.